gas in the car?
Gas.
I'll put gas in. This one?
Thank you very much.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You like motorcycles so much? Have you been down to South Dakota yet?
No, I have not.
You drive a motorcycle, but you don't go down there, really? You know what's so funny? I live a state away. I haven't gone down there either. Is that everything?
See you tomorrow.
Give me some gas.
I'm from North Dakota.
Bye, dude. It's a code.
Huh?
Get rewarded.
What happened?
Oh, just getting some gas.
What do you want to stop at that, guy?
Oh, do like 30 if it fits.
Hey, David, what's going on? After your intervention. Those other supermarkets are so expensive.
You have air conditioning in your hood? Your helmet?
Not really.
What is it? What is that thing?
Oh, it's a GoPro. A
What?
GoPro?
What?
Yeah, it's not one. I'm not recording enough.
Safe.
It can record.
Yeah, it records. So, yeah.
So if you get hand or something like that, you can record it for it.
Huh? Oh, will it fit more?
Huh?
Will it fit more?
Sure.
Here, go ahead. A little bit more.
We ride out pulling in here.
240 even's good.
40?
Yeah.
All right here?
Yep. Oh yeah, 40. Go to 40.
Hurry up and try new Little Caesars Crazy Puffs. They're 4 full-size puffs packed with cheese, pepperoni, and sauce at only
Good boss.
$3.99.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
God bless
no
you.
problem.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.